Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Don Lee, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to avoid making this really frustrating scratching sound like this. Okay, so I'll give it a thought. Basically, there's three reasons why students are making this really scratchy sound. The first one is not enough rosin on their horsehair. Okay, every time when my student they play their Erhu, I'll ask them to put some rosin on. So you should have this good habit. Every time before you practice, you put rosin on because not enough rosin on the horsehair will make the sound scratchy sometimes. If this is not reason, check number two. The second reason is probably because the balance between the bow pressure and the bow speed. So for instance, when I'm playing the horse racing with normal speed and the normal pressure, it sounds fine, but if I'm not changing the speed of my bow but exert large amount of pressure on the string, it will break the balance between the bow pressure and bow speed, and the sound will be scratchy. In the same way, when you reduce the speed of your bowing, you should also reduce the pressure you're putting on the string. Otherwise, you're very likely that you will make this scratchy sound, okay? Especially when the beginners, they're practicing the long bow techniques every day. Because the bowing speed is really slow, so you should find the appropriate amount of pressure you're putting on the string. Otherwise, especially when you're putting a lot of pressure on your string, this scratchy sound will be generated. Okay. Number three, the bow placement. Okay, so you should have a really good sense of where you should put your bow. So basically, we put it down on the board. But some students, they are not putting it down, they are putting it between this kind of, we call this nut, and this board in the middle. They're not putting it down on the board, so this sound is not solid enough. Okay, so basically there's three reasons why you're making this scratchy sound, and I hope this lesson is helpful for you. If you have any other reasons, if you have any other questions or confusions about Erhu learning, so you can put your comments below my channel. I will try to incorporate some of your comments and try to answer your questions in my following videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.